Programmable logic control life super important. So it's already been said. Now you have to provide your knowledgeable ideas and all the strong point related to that part. But for the reason, do you understand why this is important? I'm trying to guess why this is important, and I'm also trying to understand what actually happening here. So first go step by step. So this programmable logic control means some kind of program going to happen, and now you are the boss. You are doing the which part? This is the logic control part. So you are doing the logic control part and you are the boss and you are commanding to motor or to switch or an event that is going to happen. So this is very important here. You got my point. So you have done this. Let's divide the step into simple structure. For example, you know that your program support motor and also pump or there are sensor switches and a lot of things. All these are connected series parallel, so this is one kind of network already built. Now you have to make the command so that these components work perfectly. So you are making just the alignment and you are commanding which is the next program to run and how to do that part. So that's why PLC comes with the logic gate, that what you want to set up or what you want to establish and then how it gonna work. So it is super simple. You don't have to ready all the things. You just know the component are arranged or components are sorted in a way that a navigation is done. Your next part or role is to give the motor idea what you want to do, also the sensor to tell that sensor you have to do that part. So this way all your components are working for you when your programmable logic controlled are done. Whenever you're doing the programmable logic control, you have to have the simulation software, you have to have the portal, and you have to have the advanced comfort idea that how it actually works. Then you have the keyword of the structure, reusable function block, then user data, then data blocks, and how the HMI screen work, then alarm and trends. So multiple layer while you're doing the communication with your machine part, because motor will do your power distribution, pump will supply you the liquid, and these way other things will do their part, but you have to engage them, you have to tell them what to do next. And that's how you are doing your latter part, that's how you are telling them in a visual story, like okay, do that part now, do that part later, and how to do all these kind of things. That's why whenever multiple pump control is defined or lead pump is rotation, there automatic pump selection, pressure control, dry run out protection, runtime balancing, maintenance of alarm, HMI trend for pressure and the flow, and alarm handling and operator diagnostic. So all these parts are coming. Check this point. Vital one, important. You have to notice that this is global data block variable. So data block variable mean, so this is the block variable that HMI command, then analog signal. So this is kind of block, and inside of the block there are multiple variable available. So you just have to go through the variable. You are trying to understand about that variable, that's good, but you don't have to understand everything all at a time. Most importantly, so you have this maximum runtime hour, then this is the stop time or pause time, then this is like average kind of things in between happening. That's how the things work. That's the variable data guiding the motor from you, that this is how you should work. So you are telling motor that motor you have to do that part. You are telling sensor that sensor you have to do that part. You are telling valve, motor, sensor to do their role and part when you are guiding them to follow this part. Next part is the user defined data. Why user defined data is variable are important? Because you are building the part for the customer and customer going to use it one. Absolutely right. So whenever customer going to use it, there are some prefix data model, like customer can run it, customer can pause it, customer can stop, whatever the options. So you have to provide the variable option customer can use. That's why user defined data is important whenever you're running to. So you are running pump, you are running motor, you are running, so maybe the power, or you are stopping the power. That's how it's work.